Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by silencing all audible feedback. Flip the ring/silent switch on the iPhone's left edge to silent. This immediately mutes the camera shutter. If you prefer, press volume down to 0 or open Control Center and drag the volume slider to 0. Once done, make sure a focus or do not disturb schedule won't re-enable sounds. Verify in settings. These steps prevent the shutter sound without altering system files, and they work on every recent iPhone model. Next, leverage built-in software features to avoid noise. Turn on live photos before taking a shot. Screenshots taken while live photos is active often bypass the shutter sound. Alternatively, use the screen recording feature from Control Center. Start recording, take the on-screen capture silently, then trim the video if needed. If you need repeated silent captures, consider reputable third-party screenshot or note apps that save images without triggering the system shutter. To finish, confirm your changes and test a screenshot. If the shutter sound persists, restart the iPhone to apply settings. Check region in settings. Some countries require a camera sound for privacy, so changing region or using live photos may be necessary. Update iOS to the latest version, and if nothing works, reset all settings as a last resort. This keeps data but restores defaults. If you hit problems, try toggling silent mode and rechecking focus rules. Those steps usually resolve lingering sound issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.